Hi, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough for the tune of Old Slipper Shoe. It's also called Jenny Picking Cockles, Clawhammer Banjo. I'm tuned in Sawmill. I'm tuned really low with Sawmill. The Sawmill is normally G, D, G, C, D. I'm down about a step and a half, a tone and a half lower. Anyway, this is how the tune goes. I'll do the A part first. So that's the A part. You do the same thing twice, 2 A parts really. And then the B part goes up here, which sounds like this. And then with the B part, you just play it once because it's twice the length of the A parts. Some people do double the amount of A parts than I did, and then do the B part twice. Anyway, so that's how it goes. So it's in sawmill tuning, and it starts with the A part like this. So you hammer on the first string to the 5th fret. You hit the 5th string, and then you hit the 1st string on the 5th fret again. So that's a pull off from the 5th to the 3rd on the 1st string, and then you hit the open 1st string. And that's a hammer on, quite a sharp hammer on the 3rd string 5th fret. So that's the 2nd fret 3rd string. And you pull off. And then you hammer onto the 2nd fret 3rd string and thumb. So hammer on 2nd fret 3rd string, thumb, and then that 1st string open, and then 2nd fret and then 1st fret on the 1st string. You can go hammer onto the 5th fret, and that's fine too, or works fine. And then you repeat the first part of that phrase to the hammer on onto the 2nd fret 3rd string, and then you go open 3rd string, hammer on 3rd fret 4th string, and then hit that 1st string in that last rhythm note before you then do whatever happens next, whether it's a and then you go into the B part. So B part is the 9th fret 1st string, thumb, raindrops keep falling on my kind of. And then down to the 3rd fret 1st string, pull off and then hit it, and slide up to the 5th fret, and then same again up here, 9th fret, and then that's the 9th fret on the 2nd string. There's a bit of a stretch to the 12th on the 1st, second string and the 9th fret. You can do that as a little chord if you want to. And then it goes back to this. And then it goes, so the open first string, and then that fierce hammer on again onto the 5th fret, 3rd string. So the whole of the B part. And then back around again. A few variations that I do, which work. I've showed you one already. So that's hammering onto the 5th fret and the 3rd string at that point. You can do a pull off there as well. Which works quite nicely. At the end of that phrase, you can do this. So instead of going open 1st string onto the 5th 3rd string, you go 2nd fret 1st string onto there. Like that. And you can put that same phrase in later on as well, between the two phrases, between there, you can fit that same phrase in. So when you go that's where you can go 2nd fret to the 5th fret on the 3rd string instead of open 1st string. Rolls along quite nicely, has that kind of galloping feel, or that dance floor feel anyway. If it was galloping, it wouldn't be the right sort of feel. It's jigs that gallop. That's that. So hope you like it, hope you play it. Old Slipper Shoe, or Jenny Picking Cockles. The Irish name, which I put in the title there, I don't speak Irish, I'm not going to try and pronounce it, but it means old soft shoe rather than old slipper shoe, which is a slightly different feel. Anyway, thanks so much. Cheers, bye.